Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this here is my Eachine X6 hexacopter. And hexacopters are among my favorites. I'm very fond of hexacopters. I have a bunch of them. This is a very rare one. I have a few rare hexacopters actually. This is a very rare one too. But today I'm gonna fly this one because I just did a mod to this one. And this is the mod there. And I actually put that on there because of this. This is Cyma's replacement battery for their X26 or X27 obstacle avoidance quad. And this battery fits very nicely with this. And so previously it looked like this. Yeah, I actually had two of them. The battery lead was the, let me pop it open so you guys can see. Oh, actually I don't have to pop it open. This is the battery lead that usually comes on this, but it's very hard to find batteries shaped like this with that power lead on it. So I did that modification to it. And these batteries are available on Amazon. And so that's a quick way to get access to more batteries for this guy, because I really love this guy. But that was always a problem, finding a battery with these dimensions that'll fit in there. And so this is the answer to my problem. So I will be flying this to show you guys how it flies and all that. It's flying awesome. And it's two-toned. Actually, I have two of them. I had a red one too, but I don't know what happened to my red one. But I mixed and matched the body cover and everything, so I can have a more spicy looking, more awesome looking hexacopter here. So coming up next is the mod. I sped it up so it wouldn't be boring to some of you guys who don't like to see mods. And then we're going to check this guy out in the air. So I just put the soldering iron right up here, and this is the Cyma X5CH. And so I removed that power lead from that, and I just installed it in here, removing this one. My trusty micro screwdriver here. Now hexacopters can be challenging for people to fly because of the orientation issues that one might have because of the body being symmetric and all. It's a little frustrating for some people trying to maintain orientation, but usually it's not that bad because of the lights. Usually lights are on the hexacopter to help with orientation, and some people even paint like the two front arms of hexacopters to help. I like to keep constant forward flight to help with my orientation, but I guess that's a way that you would have to learn to keep orientation. But anyhow, I definitely recommend hexacopters. They're a ton of fun to fly, and they do have a little more authority on yaw. I don't know about banking. It's probably the same as a quadcopter with banking, but I'm pretty sure that quadcopters are a little more maneuverable. I think they're a little more agile, but hexacopters are a little more powerful. They have more lift. If you get a hexacopter that has a good accelerometer on it, I think you'll love it. But if you get a bad one, it might turn you off from it. My first experience with a hexacopter was kind of bad because of accelerometer issues. But once I got a good flying one, I just loved them from then on. And it seems like over the years, hexacopters definitely have gotten better. Alright y'all, so we out here with it. I ain't going to do too much talking. We're going to hurry up and get this guy in the air before the cold air starts to affect the battery. Let's get it in the air. Check it out. Nice lights on it. Nice funnel on it. Check it out. See if we can do a flip. Forward flip. I don't know if I could get it to do a backwards flip. It's not doing a backwards flip, guys. Not doing any flips. Did that one though. This thing is fast. Bringing in close. A lot of people seem to get confused with hexacopters. I can understand why. Everything being symmetric like that. It's like a UFO. Man, it's got some pitch to it. It dives when you go full forward. It's got a lot of lift though. I don't know why I can't get it to keep doing flips. I got my flip button programmed. Here we go. It did a backwards flip. But it won't do any other type of flip. Oh, I did a backwards flip that time. Kind of finicky with the flips with this button I have installed. Actually, I think it just might be the craft though, because I use this button on my other quads and stuff to do flips, and it works no problems. Looks awesome in the sky. All the lights and everything. Check it out. I don't think this guy has headless mode though. I'm getting lost in flying this thing. Almost forgot you guys were still here. A lot of fun with this guy. Let me try to get a
side flip with it. Oh, there we go. So every once in a while it allows me to do a flip. It'll respond to the button, but then no more flips after that. It's like it's limited. One flip per 20 seconds or something like that. Let's try. Oh, I did a flip moving forward. See if I could do a backwards flip. Nope. Moving forward didn't let me. Let's try it again. Nope. Oh, there we go to the flashing of the lights. So let's bring her in. My Eachine X6 hexacopter. Thanks for watching.